Hello and welcome to today's GoCloud task. So today we are going to set up passwordless authentication to all the three app servers using Puppet. So as per the task, the first thing we need to do is switch to the root SSH directory and try to get the public key. So we are going to create a Puppet programming file at the location which is specified in the task, and we are going to name it games.pp. Remember, these can be dynamic as per your task. Copy the key, and now we are going to give the syntax for the .pp file where you will be specifying the public key and the class. The class is nothing but the task you want to specify for a particular server. So make sure the syntax is appropriate. I will put the syntax in the description box so that you can modify and use it as per your parameters. Save and quit the file, and then let's validate it using puppet parser validate games.pp. This is going to show us if there are any errors. Looks like we are good. So since puppet is a full kind of automation, we want to log in into each application server and then try to pull this code. First, I'm trying to log into the first application server, switch to root. Then we are going to run puppet agent -tv. This pulls the code from the master server. Let's perform the same task in the other two application servers. Again, please like, subscribe this video so that I can keep producing the same content further. Let's perform the same task, puppet agent -tv, to pull the code from the master server to the client server. Let's perform the same task in STApp03 as well. Let's try to access the server STAP01. Now we see that we are able to access to the server without using any SSH password. So we are good. Click on finish and confirm. So the idea behind the Puppet usage is to automate tasks which we perform regularly on different servers. So as you can see, we have performed a passwordless authentication on 3 different application servers using the code which was written in the master server. So once you get a hang of how you can actually write these classes, it will be very easy for automation. And remember that you have to have the agent both in master as well as the client. So click on finish and then confirm. This should give you success.